Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing many industries, including engineering. Some worry that AI will replace engineers entirely. This fear is understandable, but the reality is more complex. AI excels at automating tasks, especially repetitive ones. Think data analysis or design variations. This can free up engineers for more creative and strategic work. However, AI lacks the human touch. Critical thinking, complex problem solving, and emotional intelligence are still uniquely human skills. These are crucial for engineering leadership and innovation. AI can be a powerful tool for engineers. It's transforming the way they approach complex problems and streamline their workflows. By integrating AI into their daily tasks, engineers can leverage advanced algorithms to enhance their productivity and innovation. Imagine software that can analyze massive datasets to identify structural weaknesses in a bridge design. This capability allows engineers to foresee potential issues before they become critical, ensuring safer and more reliable structures. Or AI that optimizes energy consumption in a building based on real-time conditions. This not only reduces costs but also contributes to environmental sustainability by minimizing energy waste. This kind of assistance can boost efficiency and lead to better designs. Engineers can iterate faster, test more variables, and ultimately create superior products. Engineers can focus on the bigger picture, using AI insights to make informed decisions. This strategic advantage allows them to allocate resources more effectively and tackle more ambitious projects. Moreover, AI can unlock new possibilities. It can suggest innovative solutions that might not be immediately apparent to the human mind, pushing the boundaries of traditional engineering. Generative design, for example, uses AI to explore thousands of design options, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. This approach can lead to groundbreaking advancements in various fields of engineering. This can lead to lighter, stronger, and more sustainable structures. By harnessing the power of AI, engineers are not only improving their designs, but also contributing to a more sustainable future. The rise of AI will inevitably change the job market for engineers. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, it will reshape the landscape of engineering in ways we are only beginning to understand. The integration of AI into various engineering fields is not just a possibility, but a certainty. Some roles, particularly those heavily reliant on routine tasks, may become automated. This automation will streamline processes, increase efficiency, and reduce the need for human intervention in repetitive tasks. However, it also means that engineers will need to shift their focus to more complex and creative aspects of their work. According to a World Economic Forum report, by 2025, machines will perform over half of all workplace tasks. This significant change will impact not only the nature of engineering jobs, but also the